Crown Vic Crew, welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, it is an absolute gorgeous, beautiful day. So I decided to do a short video. Now, in my other video I mentioned someone cutting me off. So this is going to be that video. It's going to be a really short video. But I just wanted to put it out there because I'm not feeling too well. You guys may be able to hear by my voice. But I've been pretty much AFK on Instagram for a couple days. Haven't really taken out the Vic for the past 3 or 4 days. It's just been sitting in my driveway. I also did go airsofting Saturday. I got a lot of great clips for you guys. I actually didn't film us airsofting because it was actually so dark inside of the arena that you really couldn't see anything, but I did get a lot of great shots. I'm gonna shoot my guns and stuff like that. And the airsoft vlog should be up this weekend or something like that, depending on, you know, how I feel and stuff like that. I'm also going to be releasing new t-shirt designs. I just want to say thank you guys so much for everyone who purchased a t-shirt. You guys have been really helping out the channel, you know, one step closer to that vlog camera, and I cannot wait. But yeah, new t-shirt designs. I know a lot of you guys support law enforcement and police. Now, I'm not really crazy on that, you know, I support police, but I'm not like crazy like some of you guys are. But if you guys are, I'm going to be releasing some thin blue line t-shirts. Make sure to go check out my link page. It'll be in the description. Make sure to go check it out because I'm going to have some really cool designs I think you guys really like. And like I said again, thank you guys so much for purchasing them and showing your support to the channel. Now, before I show you guys the clip, I cannot have audio in the clip because I was listening to some music which has copyright on them, so I cannot play that audio. Just want you guys to know before I start rolling it. It was filmed right here on my GoPro, and basically some lady cut me off, and good thing I was paying attention because if I wasn't, she would have hit the passenger side of my Vic, the front end of my Vic. But I'll let you guys see for yourself right now. As you guys just saw, she cut me off, no hesitation. I don't even think she had her blinker on, to be honest with you. But yeah, she just cut me off like that. And I also wanted to make this video also to prove a lot of people think we drive these cars because we want to look like cops, because we want to own the road and this and that. And that goes to prove right there that, you know, not everybody reacts the same to this car. Now, like I said, it is very rare that someone would cut me off and stuff like that, but it does happen, as you guys just saw. So these cars aren't immune to that, but it's a lot more rare that you would see that. Now, given that she was out of state, she's probably in a rush. She seemed like she was in a rush because as soon as she cut me off, she just freaking gunned it. If you guys did enjoy this short little video, probably won't even be 5 minutes, but I'll probably upload another video like right after this one. I also have another idea that won't take too much time, so I'll probably do that one as well. But let me know if anything like that ever happened to you guys. I mention, you know, on my Instagram all the time, like I've had people come to really close calls with me, you know, getting into accidents, but thankfully I've never gotten into an accident ever. When I did go to that car meet, I got hit, you know, in the back, but that's about it. Didn't get really any damage. And of course, that stupid deer that hit me, you know, I got that nice big gash on my fender that sadly still isn't repaired. But yeah, anyway, let me know if you guys ever got cut off like that, anything like that, if it pissed you off. And I'm gonna end the video off here. I hope you guys did enjoy this short little video. I will have longer videos in the week and stuff. Like I said again, I'm just not really feeling good, so I hope you guys can cope with me. But anyway, I will see all of you guys in the next one. It's delicious.